Most actors know that their character needs a purpose, but how do you know the thought that you've chosen will actually function as one? In the science of acting, a thought can only be called a purpose if it has 6 specific qualities. And in this video, I'm going to look at the first 2. Number 1, a purpose is a want, and it has to be expressed in positive terms. For instance, I want, or I want to be, I want to find out, I want to be stupid. It can't be expressed in negative terms like I don't want. And the reason for this is that there can be any number of things that we don't want at any given time, but only one thing that we want more than anything else. Other language to avoid when stating a purpose is try. If you say, I want to try to do something, you're already anticipating failure. You're acknowledging that you might not achieve the thing that you want, so that's not helpful. My motivation is, or I intend to, they're just not very clear and often confusing. For the utmost clarity, when it comes to purposes, to keep them simple and clear, best to stick with I want or I want to. Because it's a want, it has to be something we think is attainable. If we think it's unattainable, or we have no control over it, like winning the lottery, then that's a dream, not a purpose. Number 2, a purpose is a change that I want to achieve, which means it comes with obstacles. So for example, in this video I'm talking to you now sat down, so I can't have the purpose to sit down. But I can have the purpose to stand up. And if I was going to stand up, I'd need to move my stool back, I'd need to push the table forward, and that would enable me to stand up. I'd have to overcome those physical obstacles in order to achieve my purpose. But there can be mental obstacles too. So let's say I have a purpose, I want to succeed, but another part of my consciousness wants the safety of failure, because failure's familiar. Then we have 2 conflicting purposes. I want to succeed and I want to fail. And each one is a mental obstacle to the other. So, there are 6 qualities that make a thought a purpose. In this video, we identified the first 2. In the next video, we'll look at the next 2. So if you don't want to miss that or any of my future videos, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell to make sure that you're notified.